Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing your Android devices as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into a super common issue that's been bugging a lot of users in 2025. The emergency calls only error. If your phone is stuck showing this message, it can be frustrating, especially when you need to make important calls. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some quick and effective fixes step by step. This error often pops up due to network glitches, SIM card problems, or software bugs, but most of the time, it's something you can resolve on your own. First things first, let's start with the simplest fix: restarting your device. Hold down the power button, select Restart, and let your phone boot up fresh. This can clear temporary glitches and might just solve the problem right away. If that doesn't work, head over to your settings. Go to Network and Internet, or Connections, depending on your Android version, and make sure your mobile data is turned on. Sometimes, it gets toggled off accidentally. Next, try toggling airplane mode. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings, turn on airplane mode, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the network, which often resets the error. Now, if you're still seeing the issue, it's time to check your SIM card. Power off your phone. Remove the SIM card, give it a quick clean with a soft cloth, and reinsert it securely. Make sure it's not damaged or loose. For more advanced users, let's update your software. Go to Settings, System Update, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can fix bugs related to network connectivity. If nothing's working, you might need to reset network settings. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, but remember, this will erase your saved networks, so back up if you can. If you've tried all these and the error persists, it's probably best to contact your carrier. They can check for any account issues or signal problems in your area. There you have it, folks, a straightforward guide to banish that emergency calls only error for good in 2025. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Android woes. Stay connected and see you in the next one.